welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we have another wig install from Luvmehair. So thank you to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. This is going to be a completely no glue and no spray install. This wig is going to be super easy to install straight out of the box. If you guys would like to see how I got this look right here, just stay tuned and keep watching. Alright y'all, so let's get into this unboxing. So this is Luvmehair's Reddish Brown Water Wave 4x4 Closure Lace Glueless Wig. This wig is 100% human hair and this wig is in the length of 10 inches. As I said previously, this wig is going to be completely glueless, y'all, so we are not going to use any glue or any spray. And you guys can see there's not much lace on this wig, so I did not bleach the knots. So I just went ahead and used my Ebon tinted lace spray and I just sprayed that all over my lace to just kind of give me a more natural look, because we're not bleaching the knots. We still want this wig to give natural. So I'm just gonna start positioning this wig on my head the way that I want it to be, because at first it was a little wonky and we really want this wig to be secure, because like I said, this is glueless. So anytime I have a glueless wig, I don't want my wig to go nowhere, because sometimes, you know, it might happen, it might not, you never know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off this lace. I'm just using my razor. Me personally, I love to use razors because it gives me that more jagged edge look. And once again, that jagged edge look is going to give you a very natural finish. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and use my She Is Bomb wax stick. This is my go-to. You guys know I use this in basically all of my wig installs. I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot comb. Me personally, I like for my parting to kind of give like a bump kind of effect. So I always go in with my hot comb and my She Is Bomb wax stick. The She Is Bomb wax stick is going to hold the hair in place and kind of help it mold to the way that you want it to be. So next I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors and cut off some of these end pieces of the wig, because I noticed some pieces were a little uneven, and I like for my wigs to give a kind of like a blunt cut look. You know, a lot of times with my curly bobs or like with my straight bobs, I like for my wigs to be even. So I'm just going to go ahead with my scissors and really not do too much, just kind of see where I see any long pieces at and literally just snip it off, because this is just going to make the hair give a more neater look. So now into styling, I'm going to use my Lotta Body foaming mousse, and I'm just going to use my spray bottle, and we're going to get this wig defined and get these curls popping. I also want to mention that this wig is going to be perfect, y'all, for the spring and the summer, because you can literally throw it on and go. I mean, like, that's the best part about it. And I just love how simple and easy this wig was to install. Love me a glueless wig install. I've just been doing so many glueless installs that I'm literally becoming obsessed with them. They're just so easy to throw on and go. Like that boy is a cat, saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Yeah. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. That was everything for this install. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. Thank you to Love Me Hair once again for sponsoring today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Llove.